All right, everyone. So we are still on our Chemical Guys tour. What had happened was I was Amazon doom scrolling. Somehow I just added stuff to the cart. We have the total interior cleaner and protection. This cleans your dash, glass, navigation, and more. Basically, we're going to use it for the dash, but I mean, if it cleans off your GPS and all of that stuff, that's awesome. Your windows, but that will just be wasting product if you use everything on one. But here you go, right there. All right, and mainly people use this type of stuff when it comes to the dash because right here it says effects reduce the effects of UV exposure. So basically your sun won't damage your dash that much. So that's why a lot of people use this stuff. So let's go ahead. I already unwrapped it and let's check it out. See what kind of shine we get. If we get a shine, turn it and there we go. Spray it. Ooh, that is a shine. I might get a steering wheel cover for this car, but definitely it protects from the sun. That's the purpose of doing this to your car. Chemical Guys smell good, you guys. I mean, they got some good smelling products. Also, keep in mind you can use this on leather as well. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it's not really that much of a shine. I mean, it's shiny, but I seen shinier. It shines, but not like really, really, really ultra shiny, like wet shine. But it does have a shine to it. All right, and it's a nice smell. It smells real good. And of course, if you have leather, it says it protects your leather because your leather gets worn out in the sun. So you always want to protect all your leather. You know, it does give a pretty good shine. Not gonna lie. It's a decent shine. So you can see the shine on it. Let's hit up here so y'all can see. Oh, that came up. When you see the sun hits it. Sorry, I'm in the shadow, I know. Alright, then we got our seats. Seats already ripping right here, but this is an old car, you guys, so I'm not worried about it. But you want to maintain your seats, keep them protected. And I have something for this spot right here that we will try out very soon. But yep, we're going to maintain our seats. All right, you guys, so that's it. Just showing y'all that so y'all can see if there's, you know, the shine and all of that stuff, just in case you wanted to see that. OCD. But that will be all. If y'all want me to use this on anything else, let me know. But that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.